Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and data. Plug in AC and close apps so shutdown is clean. Next, reboot and watch post. Press the BIOS key, F2, Dell, F10, or ESC depending on your OEM, until the setup screen appears. Once inside, first locate and note key values like boot order and secure boot. Make a quick image or write them down so you can restore if needed. Make sure to avoid USB changes until you know the current configuration. Once done entering setup, move deliberately. Use arrow keys and enter. Some BIOS versions accept mouse input, but don't rely on it. Locate boot, advanced, security, and hardware monitors. Change the boot order to prioritize your installer USB or drive. Enable OSI or RAID if installing an OS, and toggle virtualization or secure boot as required. When tuning memory XMP or CPU ratios, change one value at a time and test. This approach isolates issues and prevents cascading failures during configuration. After finishing changes, choose Save and Exit, often F10, or use the on-screen option. This writes NVRAM and restarts the system. Then test by booting into your OS or installer to ensure devices, storage, and peripherals initialize correctly. If the system fails to boot or behaves erratically, power down and reset CMOS using the motherboard jumper or remove the battery for a minute to restore defaults. Then re-enter BIOS and reapply only the essential changes. That single reset usually resolves misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.